Should I quit my thesis? Hi everybody, I'm Gabby from mythesiscoach.com. I'm a PhD holder, an academic and a thesis coach, working with clients from all over the world to help make their thesis journey productive and positive. So I work with many clients who are burnt out, who are thesis fatigued, who feel overwhelmed, under-supported, and sometimes they ask me, Gabby, should I just give up? My answer may surprise you. Sometimes. Well, yeah, don't continue with it. If this thesis writing is making you depressed, if this thesis writing is making you miserable, is impacting your relationships with other people, is harming your ability to enjoy yourself in other spheres of your life, if it isn't adding to you in some way, and if it is really impairing your ability to enjoy your life, then I'm going to say, don't continue. What's the point? There are so many other ways that you can show your interest, that you can investigate ideas that excite you, that you can learn, that you can grow, that you can connect with community. Yeah, you can get all those things writing a thesis, but it's really hard and it's not the only way. If you're wondering today, should I quit my thesis? I want you to go back to the very beginning. Think about yourself last year or the year before, that, whenever it might be. Why did you enter this program? Was it intellectual curiosity? Was it a personal goal? Was it something to do with your career? Think back to that. And then think to yourself, does that still hold true for me today? Do I still want those things? You may very well find that your answer is no. And if your answer is no, then I say don't fight through it. Life's not meant to be a struggle. It might not be for you anymore. And that is fine. There are millions of other things that you can do, and you can't do that while you are stuck to the shackles of a thesis project, which is not working for you anymore. So that's my answer to that. But if you look back to past you and you find that those things do still resonate with you, if you found that question you were interested in so long ago, if you still want to know the answer, if you do believe that it might grow you intellectually, if you do think that it could still help you fulfill your long-term goals, then you know what? Carry on. Find a little task, something easy, something non-threatening, dip your toes into it, get something done, tick something off your list, and start moving through that again. Because you know what? It feels really good to finish a thesis. So I hope those ideas really helped. In summary, if you can no longer see the validity and the usefulness for your life, then don't feel bound to this project. You are not forever committed to it. There are other ways to express your interest and to grow intellectually, professionally, and personally. But if there is something still resonating there, if there's a tiny little flutter of interest that's still alive, then I believe that you can finish this thesis, and I will support you any way that I can. Any questions? Pop them down to the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel.